Hello, my name is Tyler Chisholm. I'm the CEO of Clearmotive Marketing and the host of two podcasts, Collisions YYC and They Just Get It. I grew up in a small town. I grew up in a rural environment and so many shared experiences with family. Like Christmas dinner at my house was 50 people around the table and there was multiple pies. My grandmother cooked all day and if you tried to help, she'd throw you out of the kitchen. Food was always such a huge part of it. But if we can be intentional in how we use that to create community, it's critical. For a healthy community to thrive, you need to have access. Providing that open door for people and removing the barrier to be able to build those bridges that are going to look different for every generation. And I remember I went home to visit my family, which is in Quebec, and my sister was there, and I decided to make, I think it was stuffed peppers, bell peppers. I had never made it before, but I was feeling kind of cocky and I know how to make a healthy meal, and it was terrible. It was a mess, it was a disaster. And I look back, I didn't try it before. I made up my own recipe. I had no idea what I was doing. It was purely based on bravado and throwing a bunch of ingredients together. So that was probably the low point in my cooking career, and it's been slowly working its way back up since then, and that was probably 15 years ago. So I've only gotten to cooking the last few years, and I actually did it during a time when it actually made me healthier and happier. So to participate in an event where I can take that out for a walk in the public eye, which is a little bit nerve-wracking, but also support this amazing organization, my hope is that it just brings more people to the table. I'm super excited about this. The opportunity to be in a top chef cooking competition, and the individuals that are participating, Dean, Connor Curran, Mike Prosey, individuals that I know through the community. So to be able to actually rub shoulders with these individuals and actually do it in a competitive way while also putting on a bit of a show, having an audience, supporting a great cause, the whole experience is what I'm really, really after, and I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest with you. Because it's the foundation everything else builds on. If I don't have breakfast this morning, am I going to be in a place to be able to be the most productive, the most supportive, the most loving of a parent, whatever, fill in the blank for you as an individual? Mental health comes right away. We'd love to have you here, but if you can't make it, you can donate to support it. All this is going to a fantastic cause. There's so much need in our city. But getting to know this organization and understanding kind of the multifaceted, and we're really focusing on the mental health approach, but you do so much more for the community. And I invite people to come down, get involved, open the book a little bit, and find out what's going on here. Because I think it'll be hard not to support it once you find that out. What I would say to my competitors is, well, gentlemen, all is fair in love, war, and cooking. So I very much look for, because let's be honest, nobody loses, but somebody's absolutely going to win. And I don't want to lead you, but you might be looking at them right here.